Hi everyone, in front of me is Motorola Edge 20 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard. For example, in messages, it doesn't really matter, just open it. And since we can see the keyboard, we have to take a look at this option bar and enter the settings. If you cannot find the settings here, no worries, just tap on this three dots icon and find it somewhere here. You will be able to also tap on it, hold it and drag it to this option bar to have much faster access to it. So let's enter the settings and tap on the languages. This is the list of the languages we've previously added to the keyboard. We've got only English right now, so let's add a keyboard just by tapping on this option. And as you can see, we've just been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So I'm sure that you will find the language you would like to set. Let me find the graphical language in order to show you the actual difference. So let me pick, for example, Arabic. Let's tap on it. Sometimes you will be also able to pick the region. So the same situation, just tap on the region you'd like to set, tap on done here, and as you can see, the Arabic has been immediately applied to this list. So we can go back to the keyboard and check. And actually, I'm not really sure if you've noticed that and if you've paid attention, but we've got two differences. So first of all, the space bar is not empty anymore. We've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, the language key, which will allow us to actually change a language. So right now I'm typing English, but after tapping on this globe icon, I can switch to the Arabic one. So actually this is it. This is how to add the language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because usually you do not need two different languages added. So let's tap on the settings again, enter the languages, and here, in order to remove the language, just tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to mark the language we'd like to remove, and obviously in my case it will be Arabic, and tap on the trash bin icon. Actually immediately disappeared. And after getting back, you can see that the keyboard just got back to its very first state, so the spacebar is empty and we cannot find the language key. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your Motorola Edge 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.